Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make money on Bundle crypto app up to 5,000 naira daily, depending on the kind of audience you got. This is actually the first part of the video. There are a lot of ways to make money through this app, so subscribe so you don't miss it. Now let's get into it. So you would open your Play Store or App Store, then search for Bundle. You see Bundle, just search for Bundle. Wait while I was loading. You can see my network is a bit bad, so you can see Bundle cash and crypto wallet. You can see the image, then install it. I already installed it, so you open it. Then you can see assets, everything. So without wasting time, you click on your profile image. You can see there I used the video. You click on profile image, then you scroll down. Then you can see refer and earn. Then you click it. Then you can see it. Invite a friend to register. Tell them to make a cash deposit and trade at least 10 BUSD within 15 days. So you can see step 1, you invite your friend. Friend makes a cash deposit and buys crypto. Then you get paid 50% of the commissions we collect from them. As you can see, I just referred 95 people. Now you can see friends who signed up 95, then friends who traded 2. I'll still tell some of them to trade, but you can see now. So let's say wait, let me go back. So you can see you will get paid 50% of the commission. So let's say I go to like buy BUSD. Yeah, this BUSD. Yeah, I'm saying my network is shaky. So let's say they said 10 BUSD. 10 BUSD is just about 8,000 naira. So you tell your friend to buy BUSD worth 8,000 naira, then you get 50% of the commission that Bundle makes from them. So that'll be all for now. You can subscribe so you would get part 2 of this video. See you all later.